Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my dress. Well, it's a dress, but anyways, just ignore this. I just got it out of the dryer and I need to fix it, but I'm at home, so I'm like, whatever. Anyways, that noise in the background is my son. He is playing with a straw or something or whatever. So, I've been really bad about checking my YouTube comments and stuff like that. And it says this was a month ago, so I'm pretty sure it was about 2 months ago when I had my gallbladder surgery, and someone had a few questions for me, mostly dealing with about the putting to sleep part. So this question comes from Excalibur 18. She said, "Thanks so much for posting this, girl. Very informative. I'm actually getting surgery soon too. I was wondering if you could explain more about what it's like to be put to sleep. That is the part that freaks me out. Like, what does it feel like? How do they do it? What does it feel like when they put the stuff in? Like, do you get sleepy, or is it more wide awake and then instantly out? Could you have stayed awake if you would have tried, or is that impossible? Basically, whatever you remember about that would be helpful so much." So basically what I'm going to do is answer the questions, and I'm also going to try to do, not try to, but I'm going to tell you guys like the process from basically when I was in the hospital and they told me, and then what led to that afterwards. I do apologize. I'm going to be extremely out of breath, and that's just normal for pregnant women. So anyways, if it bothers you, I'm sorry. So basically, and I am still recording with my phone, but bear with me please. One day I'll be able to get a camera. Say hi.
Hi.
So I think it was March. I don't remember the date exactly, but what happened? Oh, I got mask on my face. On my finger. What happened basically was I was having pain. I went in. They told me that I had gallstones, and that I also was pregnant. And then I was dealing with gallstones for a couple months into pregnancy till about 20 weeks when I had the surgery. And then how that happened was I went in. I've been going to the hospital constantly because I was in so much pain. A gallstones attack are very excruciating. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean. Hopefully, if you haven't, you don't ever have to experience, because it's horrible. But I went in for pain, and then they ran blood tests and did all this stuff, and come back that it was like an infection. It was infected basically, and I needed to get it taken out. So we did all that. Talked to the anesthesiologist, everything, just signed some paperwork, stuff like that. Now, when it came down to actual surgery, they put me from the hospital bed in the ER onto a transporting bed. Oh wait, I don't remember. Did they? They either put me to another bed, or they wheeled me in the same bed. I think I got into another bed though. And then they took me back to the OR. And the whole way there, I was panicking. I was kind of freaking out. I'm about to have a surgery, and I'm pregnant, and all, I'm thinking about all the things that can go wrong. And it was just I started to panic. So they took me to the OR room. The doors were huge. The room was ginormous. It had so many freaking things in there. Like, it almost seems like they had things stacked, like organized, of course, but all the way up to the ceiling. Hold on, baby. All the way up to the ceiling, and there was like at least 12 people in there, like nurses, doctors, and they had people there just in case. Kai, shh, stop, please. Give me 1 second. Oh wait. They had people there just in case the baby, for the baby to check afterwards, and if anything were to go wrong, they had people there for that too. So I'm laying flat on this table thing, and I start to panic. The thing is, since I was pregnant, they couldn't give me any like panic medication that they usually would give people, and you know, that kind of sucks, but she just said to take deep breaths, so that's what I did. Okay, so this is the part where I get to answer your question. So I'm laying there, you know, they put an IV in me, which I think I got it before. So they were putting the medicine through the IV in me. And I think it was my elbow area where you usually would get an IV. And it was like, I think she told me to count to 10. Back, like to 1, 2, 3, 4, or I mean backward, 10, 9, 8, 7, and so forth. And how it's like is, she said, what is it like to be put to sleep? I can't really say, like, I mean, I can say, but it's like, I don't remember. I just felt like I took a nap and then woke up, almost. It kind of, I don't really know how to describe that to give you a good answer for me personally. It feels weird, like when they put the medicine in. It feels like tingly. Your body kind of feels like almost numb, not like numb as if you're getting numbing medicine, but numb like you're just kind of like floppy, you know, like, oh, I'm tired, like you're gonna fall asleep, like you're tired, exhausted. That's how it kind of felt like for me. How they do it is by an IV. What does it feel like when they put the stuff in? What I just kind of said, it makes you feel like loopy and tired and sleepy and stuff. And you do get a little bit of sleepy. For me personally, I got sleepy a little bit, and then it was out like a light. I was gone. As I was counting 9, 10, out. And then, could I have stayed awake even if I tried? No. I don't think I could have. The medicine that they give you is like really strong. I think that's the right word. But yeah, it's meant to knock you out, so it's gonna do its job. And then I think I answered all the questions. Hopefully I did, to a good point anyway. And then I woke up. I was in a lot of pain. I woke up to my husband sitting next to me, and people were talking around me and stuff. And I think I kind of talked about that in when I did my gallbladder surgery. But if I didn't for some reason, basically I just woke up, everybody was talking. I stayed there for a couple hours and then went home that day. Recovery was okay. It wasn't horrible, but it took me a week or two till I was able to walk fully, and definitely couldn't walk fast or anything like that. I mean, it was surgery, but hold on, baby, I'm almost done. And now I have no problems. I have no pain really. Sometimes I feel like I occasionally get little pains where I had my pains before, but I think it's just because I'm pregnant. It could just be baby's kicking something and it's causing a little bit of discomfort. I wouldn't really, yeah, that's the word I would say. I really wouldn't call it pain. It's just more of a discomfort. But other than that, I'm doing good so far. So I guess this is considered also my post-op. What is it like? Been 3 months now, I think. No. Yeah, about 3-4 months. So 3 to 4 months post-op video. Other than that, it's doing good so far as the surgery goes. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will address them as so. So bye.